Good morning, children. I hope the picture and the sound is clear. Very good afternoon, children. Okay. Is the sound and the picture clear, children? Okay. So today we will be revising our second chapter, The Earth Our Home. Okay. So whatever questions you have or you want to ask anything regarding the chapter, please ask me when I tell you. Now, children, we will first revise. So, those who have a book, see page 9. Those who have a book, look at page 9, open page 9, the second chapter. And those who still don't have a book, I'm opening the page for you. Give me 2 minutes of time, children. Here, we need to do little bit of adjustments. Wait. Right. Is it clear? Okay. Now, what does this chapter say? Our home. The earth is our planet. It is one of the 8 planets. And what are the other planets? It is Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Repeat after me, children. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay? Now, the sun has a family. And what is its family? The 8 planets, the satellite planets, the asteroids are all sun's family. And these bodies are called heavenly bodies. Any questions, children? Now, next is that it's regarding the earth. It is the only planet where we exist, where living things are found. Why? Because there is air, water, and the right kind of temperature. Why do we find people existing or living thing existing on earth? Because there is air, water, and the right temperature. And why do we need air, water, and the temperature? Who will answer? Answer me through your comment box. Yes, Shreyashri, you can say your question. But before that, can anybody say why do we need air, water, and the temperature? Yes, to live. Air to breathe. Very good, Abdul. Okay. Sreshri, what is your question? Water to drink and yes, and a suitable temperature to live. Okay. What suitable temperature mean? Neither very hot nor too cold. This is the reason why the earth is known as the unique planet. Yesterday we were saying, okay, now all the heavenly bodies get light from the sun. They don't have their light of their own. Shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is round, but slightly flat from the top and the bottom, which resembles an orange. See here, I think I have given this example. Okay, in the first chapter, I think I had given this. So, this is the solar system, and these are all heavenly body. Here is the asteroid, this with small dots. These are the comets, and these are the planets. Saturn has rings. Yes, it resembles an orange. If you see an orange carefully, you will see the orange is round but slightly flat on the top and at the bottom. That is the reason why uh, they give an example of an orange. Okay. So children, you have to learn this drawing which is in your book. I just finished with the answer. Why the earth is an unique planet. Again, I will say the earth is an unique planet because it is the only planet where life exists. Life means where life exists, and it has air, water, and the suitable temperature. Did you get it? Am I clear? Sreshri, am I clear? Okay. Now see the drawing carefully, children. Now, this is the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Saturn is the only planet which has rings. Now you can count which number is the Earth standing on? 1, 2, 3, the third. Mars is fourth. Jupiter is fifth. Saturn is sixth. Uranus is seventh. And 8 is Neptune. So if I ask you a question that which is the fifth planet, so what will be your answer? Which is the fifth planet? What will you write? What will your answer be? No. Yes. Very good. Think and write, children. Don't copy others. Just think and write. Saurav, why are you writing 3? It is Jupiter. Why? Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one, so it is Jupiter. And not Venus and Mars. Venus is the second. You cannot count from here. It is from the Sun. And neither it is the Mars. It is the Jupiter. Okay. So this is the way we will count the planets. And if I ask you which is the furthest planet then from the Sun, what is your answer? Which is the furthest planet from the Sun? Which is the furthest planet from the sun? Very good, Abdul. Furthest means the far away. Mars is the nearest, and Mercury is the nearest, and Neptune is the furthest. Okay, now children, I'll give you all something. Means I'll make you all write something. You all can remember that, and if it's quite funny, it is in a form of a sentence, and you all will be able to remember which planet comes after which planet. Now, if you're with a pencil, you can write what happened. Why are you writing what happened? Okay, for Mercury, you write my. M-Y, my. Write it in your copies. For Venus, you write very. V-E-R-Y, very. My very. For E, you will write, for Earth, E, you will write efficient. E-F-F-I-C-I-E-N-T. E-F-F-I-C-I-E-N-T. Efficient. For M, that's for Mars, you will write mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. And J for just. J-U-S-T. Just. Served. S-E-R-V-E-D. Us. Served us. U-S. Us. Nuts. Now see here children, I have written it down. Always remember this, then you all will remember the names of the planets. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. M for Mars, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mother, J for Jupiter, S for which one? Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for nuts. Okay. See over here. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Okay, now let's go back to the chapter. This is the way you can remember the names of the planets. Yes. So back to your studies. Now remember this line, children. Okay. Now, very many years ago, people used to feel scared to go out of the far. They used to be scared of traveling. Why? Because they thought that the earth was flat and had edge. You can see a table, it is flat and there is a edge, and they fear to fall off. Okay. Shankadeep, why are you typing like this? So, a person named Ferdinand Magellan, he went for a sea voyage. What is a sea voyage? He traveled in the water in a ship. He sailed. That is known as voyage. Okay. He traveled from Spain, and after 3 years of traveling, he reached that same place, and then he confirmed that the earth was round. Okay, this is the way everybody came to know that the earth was round and earth did not have any edges. Okay. Now, here we come to the mostly the end of the chapter. That it says is, what is a horizon and what is a coast? A horizon is where the land meets the sky. Seems to meet. We think it's meeting, but actually it is not meeting. In this picture, we are thinking it looks like the sky is meeting the land, but actually it is not meeting. When you reach this place, then you will see more further it's down. So, a horizon is a place where land and sky seem to meet. Okay. And this is again another way you will understand that the earth is round. It is in semicircle. And next is coast. What is a coast? A coast is where the land meets the sky here. Sorry, the sea meets the land. This is the sea. And this is the land. When it meets. Okay, this is the horizon and this is the coast. So we have two definitions over here. The place where land and sea meets. Now children, revision time. I will ask you questions and you will answer. So everybody ready? All are ready, children? Say yes or no. Yes, Shankudip, the place where land and sea meet is called coast. So all are ready. So let us now close your books. I will be asking you questions. In the book, if you see, there is one pink box where it's written amazing fact. It is the two ways how the planets move. What are the ways? One, it rotates, and another, it revolves. Rotate means it spins at one place. No icons, please. Once before, also, I had told you all strictly that no icons. One, it rotates, and second one, it revolves, means it goes round the sun in an oval path. Okay. Now, question, the first question is, name the person who set out on a sea voyage. Name the person who set out on a sea voyage. Very good, Joydeep. Very good, Abdul. Now, next question. Which planet has the right temperature to live? Your spelling is wrong. Children, please write your name along with the answer or whatever question you want to ask. Yes. Very good. Now, true and false. One you will answer. In the solar system, there are 9 planets. True or false? In the solar system, there are 9 planets. Is it true or false? Very good. Next, all planets move around the stars. all planets move around the stars? Very good. Now, sun, the moon, and the stars, the planets, are called the sun, the moon, the stars, and the planets are called. Fill in the blanks. The sun, the moon, the stars, and the planets are called. Very good. Joydeep. Who gives light and heat to the heavenly bodies? Who gives light and heat to the heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon, and the stars are heavenly bodies. They form a solar system. They form the solar system. Very good. Moon is a. Fill in the blanks. Moon is a. Moon is a. In the previous. Yes, very good. It is a natural satellite or a satellite. Very good. I'm very happy. Okay. Next. Neither too hot nor too cold. This temperature is known as neither too hot nor too cold. This temperature is known as neither too hot nor too cold. This temperature is known as Yes. Yes. Very good, Jadip. There is another word. Abdul, uh, Sri, there is another word to it. Okay. Very good, children. The earth is shaped like an. The earth is shaped like an. Who will reply to this? The earth is shaped like an. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent, children. Now, children, do you all have any questions before we end the class? Is there any questions which you have not understood? Okay, children, thank you so much.